Hello, my fellow subscribers. This is going to be a short video showing some kind of tool. This is the adapter. This is a wireless, not wireless, but wired, chargeable, automatic screwdriver. This is the release button. This is forward and reverse. This is the bit. This is how you do it. And if you want to turn it on, you go like this. Like that. These are used mainly for taking out covers, working on printers, working on fax machine, working on copiers, and other equipment, other furniture, if you need a automated tool. Thank you. Till next time.